Welcome to EnduringTechnologyPress.com. I'm Eric, and I'm a fan of investing in tools and infrastructure and assets and then turning around and making them pay for themselves by doing various projects with them. And I think this is a really great example of that philosophy paying off. It's a rainy day, so I'm out here and I'm building some frames for my beehives. Now you can buy these, but you can also make them. Now you can also go to Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that and buy the material and still save money when you're building them. This case, it gets even better than that. One of my neighbors was tossing out some bookshelves, and they weren't those cheap pressboard ones that you get now. They were actually really nice pine that was painted white. And as I ripped it apart, you'll see that this is actually select grade pine. Few knots, beautiful material. So I've been transforming these for the first start of the morning into a couple hundred frames for my hives. Not something that you really want to purchase if you can make them yourself. Simple, reused material. That's where tools like the table saw, that I just adore this Sears table saw. It's excellent. The Craftsman contractor grade saws are excellent. They've got a really good fence that allows you to do things accurately. They set up nicely and they're portable. So all this being done with free wood that was being thrown out. Similar things you can do. We've done foundry work with aluminum that has been tossed out on the curb, or welding projects with steel, and especially a lot of bed frames where you're looking for angle iron that just find their way to the curb. All free material. You just need the skills and the assets to be able to transform those into really cool and useful things. So for more on this and other interesting things to empower your independence, go to EnduringTechnologyPress.com. Thanks.